How can beginners start learning how to skate? In this video, I'll guide you through the essential steps to develop this amazing skill. The first step is to familiarize yourself with the essential techniques and safety guidelines. It's natural to feel intimidated, but with determination and practice, anyone can learn to skate. Let's explore the fundamentals of skating together. To ensure your safety and enhance your skating experience, it's essential to have the right equipment. And what you're fearful about breaking an elbow?
I always wear a helmet when I skate, no matter what I'm skating.
Around the world this summer, he's usually the only one over 18 with a helmet.
Invest in a pair of skate shoes that provide optimal grip and support. Skating with Snickers. Try that. Additionally, wear comfortable and protective clothing. Or just comfortable? Developing balance is crucial for skating. Start by standing on your skateboard with your feet shoulder width apart. Keep your body relaxed and centered over the board. Gradually shift your weight between your feet, getting familiar with the board's movement and maintaining balance. Once you've mastered balance, it's time to work on pushing yourself forward. Place one foot on the ground and use the other foot to propel the skateboard. Push off the ground with your back foot while keeping your front foot on the skateboard. Try to set the foot with the tip of the toes, creating a line where the nails should be. This motion will propel you forward and help maintain momentum. You are skating. Nah, don't celebrate. Stop in time. Literally. Learning how to stop is essential for every skater. There are a few different techniques you can use. The most common is using your back foot to drag on the ground while leaning back slightly. But if you don't want to damage your shoes, another technique involves using the tail of the skateboard to create friction with the ground, slowing yourself down. Experiment with various stopping techniques and find the one that suits you best. Get creative, because you are now skating. Come back to this video if you still don't master this fundamentals. For more skill fundamentals, stay tuned!